welcome back everyone. Welcome back to your online class. So, in the first section today, you will learn about the two kinds of sports again. Then, um, they just want you to learn about the comparison paragraph, right? And now you can move to part 3, drafting on page 95. So yesterday you have learned or practiced about this. Okay, how you get this letter to be like getting into the outline. Okay, so as well you have learned like the two sport here between ski and and water skiing. So how is it different or how is it the same? But from the lesson, you have learned about the thing in common, meaning thing that is similar to each other in the two type of game. Let's just raise up here like everyone. You can see those picture. So they have the same ski, they have the same like uh, shoot. They have the same like using okay, you can see here like, but actually they don't compare between helmet because of the water skiing. They don't use helmet, and okay, and one use water and one use skiing. Anyway, you also got practice to learn about like snow skiing and water skiing. Like they just mentioned about the topics content here. You see like water ski and snow skiing are different sport, but they have several things in common. If you want to use it to the contrast paragraph, you can change to water skiing and snow skiing are, or we can say like have several things in common, but they are choosing two different. Okay, I'll just say it like this, meaning you write the to show the contrast, not to show about the thing that in common or similarity. Okay, so we move to the next one. This is what you have to organize. Like the first one, like the ski are the same. They just mentioned about the ski are the same, so you can compare to the first picture. Then number of skis in water skiing is the same. Okay, they are similar in their goal. The skier want to stand up and go forward. Okay, both require good strength and balance. Okay, this is just some outline regarding to skiing and water skiing. So everyone, now we move to our lesson today on 30. Okay, so you just turn your book on page 35. You will see nothing. So what does teacher mean it one? Meaning that teacher just want you to learn something that new for you, that teacher brought it outside from the book. Okay, what you have learned today, teacher give you some like comparison signal. The following chat are the word and phrases that show similarity. So when you want to use a part of like comparison paragraph, okay, so you have to know about how can you use those words to apply in your writing. Example like the sentence connector, you use like the word similarly, like likewise, okay, like also, like too. I mean sentence connector example like too, we use the rest of the sentence, and also normally at the beginning of the sentence, and similarly or likewise, in the middle of the sentence. So they link together. Yep. If we gonna talk about the coordinating conjunction, we know that a coordinating conjunction we have like the word and. So using and to show in the comparison paragraph. Okay, between sentence and sentence. Subordinating conjunction like as or just as we often use in the comparison paragraph as well. Okay, like another word like the word similar, like equal, like the same. This is you have learned from the previous lesson already. Okay. And similar to or equal to, just like, the same as, or equally. So this word, you have learned so far. And to pair, you got pair conjunctions, meaning if we compare two things that the same, like both and, example like both ski and both and skiing and water skiing. Okay, we compare the two sport, like both, example both squash and both racquetball. And the word not only but also we link the two things, not only squash but also racquetball, example you can use like that. Another example of not only but also, example like I am not only I am not only smart but also brave, example. If you use it uh, like both and the same, we use like I am both smart and brave. So this is some guideline for you, everyone. If you want to improve your writing, you can insert use those words to apply. The next one, teacher would like you to see about contrast signal point out differences. So normally, in the contrast paragraph, meaning that they compare two things are different in the different way. The sentence connector they use like in contrast. On the other hand, however, like last time, teacher taught you about life now and life 5 years ago. Okay, so in that paragraph, they use the word on the other hand, I mean to show the contrast between now and 5 years ago, because they write block by block, not point by point. And coordinating conjunction, we use the word but or yet. We use but in the middle of the sentence, and we use a comma. Oh, sorry, not in the middle, at the beginning of the sentence, but we use it like in the clause. So far, example like I like coffee, but I don't like juice. Okay, if you say that, but I don't like juice, and then you don't have another sentence, so this sentence is not make sense. So when they compare, they use the word but here. I mean they just compare two different things. Okay, we can't use the single one. The word yet meaning like but also to showing the negative. Okay. Subordinating conjunction that we use to show the contrast, like while, like well as. Last time teacher showed you about the word well as and however, and whereas we can use in the middle of the to connect, example to connect between two sentences. But however, can use in the same way, but the position of using however we use it at the beginning of the sentence, and then we use comma, right? Comma. Although, like even those and those, and other word like differently from or different from. Okay, so this is some word that we use in this writing. So now teacher would like you to get practice on this page, everyone. So you see here like snow skiing and water skiing. So we go back. Okay, so water skiing and snow skiing are different sports, but they have several things in common. Like first, the word for here just we call time order or the signal word as well. Their ski are the same shape. Both sport use long, narrow ski. Also, the number of ski is the same. So we have Yep. We have A to E here. So letter D already completed. We have like A, like one is a winter sport, one is a summer sport. Both type of skiing. Those, you see here like those are almost the same in the way they are done. Okay, so you have to decide first. So what is the topic sentence, everyone? Okay, the topic sentence is letter E. Like skiing is a very popular sport in the Western world. It comes to two main form: snow skiing and water skiing. So they give this is the topic sentence. Okay. So number two, everyone, because of letter D, we already have done it. Okay. Number three. Okay, what are you going to complete here? Number three, letter C. Letter C, like two skis are used in both. Okay. What about number four? Number 4F means the goal of the water skiing is also the same as that of snow skiing, right? So we have two more left, everyone. Okay, so number 5, B. Okay, the two sports are the same in one more way. One is in the winter sport and one is the summer sport. Both type of skiing. Those almost the same in the way they are done, right? Okay, so when you organize this, you have to make sure that the statement here logic or not. Okay. Okay, so teacher would like to wrap up again that what you have learned today. You have learned about the comparison signal. You have learned about contrast signal, and you also get practice about the snow skiing and water skiing on page 95. So everyone, see you again tomorrow. Cut. So everyone, see you in the second section. Goodbye, everyone.